What's going on? We're down here, and by we, I mean Above and Beyond Tree Service, working in conjunction with all the other tree companies down here in Nanaimo, Polycum, all over the place, just trying to set things back to normal as much as we can. Doing a big tree removal, falling through the roof of someone's house, unfortunately, here. Harrison, he's already gone in and put one cut up on the tree. Ben's up there now. He's going to put another one in, and then we're going to take it out in 2 pieces and leave a big section of the stump sitting as it is, and then piece that down afterwards as well. So we'll show you a little video now of how we take a tree out of a house. Ideally not what you want, but if it happens, you know who to call. Let's get to it. Piece came out real nice. That was awesome. Now Benny's up there. He's just securing the tethers, the chains for the next piece. We'll pull it out of the house. Hopefully, no extra damage. That's not what any of these people need right now. Let's check it out. There you go, that's it. 2 big pieces of tree on the ground. Benny's up top, tarping it, make sure as little water gets in now as possible. We'll truck down that stem in the back. Big thanks to Garage Cranes as well. Been Nick with Above and Beyond Tree Service. That's how you take a giant tree out of a house.